Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. Today we are taking a look at Birchbox Man for July 2018. With that being said, let's get into it. And of course, for my life starter pick, I chose a pair of wireless earbuds. And here we go. We have the card, of course, with everything in this month's box. Have a thing of Blind Barber shampoo and body wash. Have a thing of Baquero aftershave. A Dawes Boom Industries bar of soap. A thing of Journeyman face wash. Number 4, hydrating conditioner. And last but not least, a thing of Clique for men, maximum hydration for dried out skin. And there you have it. Now, in closing, Birchbox doesn't just offer Birchbox Man, they also offer a Birchbox Women with women's care goods, obviously. Now, for Birchbox Man, there are 2 subscription fee options. A $10 one that gets you just the box, and a $20 one that gets you the box plus a lifestyle item like a pair of wireless earbuds. And if you are interested in trying new and different brands, I definitely recommend you check out Birchbox. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.